Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring numbers. Red color, green color, blue color, black color, yellow color, and the last one is white color. So kids, now we coloring numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So now we coloring numbers. Kids, first we use red color and draw 1. One, O-N-E, 1. The next one is 2, T-W-O, 2. And the next one is 3. So kids, the next one is 4, F-O-U-R, 4, and we use green color. Kids, now we use green color and draw the number of 4. The next one is 5, F-I-V-E, 5. Now we draw 6, 6, S-I-X, 6. The next one is 7, 7. So kids, now we draw the number of 8 and use blue color. Now we draw 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. 9. Now we draw 9. The next one is 10, T-E-N, 10. So kids, now we draw the number of 11. 11. We again use blue color. Now we draw 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. Now we draw 13. 13. So kids, the next one is 14, and we use yellow color. Now we draw 14. The next one is 15. Kids, the next one is 16. We again use yellow color. Now 17. So kids, next 18. Kids, now we use black color and draw 18. The next one is 19. Kids, the last one is 20. We draw 20. So kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.